Hello Pythonistas, welcome to Pythonista Geek channel. So today you are going to see problem set 3's first problem, which is fuel gauge. So let us first check what is the program. So fuel gauges indicate often with fractions just how much fuel is in the tank. For instance, 1 by 4 indicates that the tank is 25% full. Half indicates the tank is 50% full. 3 by 4 indicates that the tank is 75% full. In a file called fuel.py, implement a program that prompts the user for a fraction formatted as x divided by y, wherein x and y are an integer, and then output as a percentage rounded off to the nearest integer how much fuel is in the tank. If true 1% or less, then we are going to show E. If it is 99% or more, then we are going to show F. That is full, okay? So if true x or y is not an integer, or x is greater than y, or y is 0, instead prompt the user again, okay? So it can be a fraction, but it is not going to be like x is greater than y. Be sure to catch any exception like value error and zero division error. So to make it simple, what we are going to do now is we can first write a normal program for this fuel.py. After that, we can try adding the exception blocks. Okay. So first, what we are going to do is we are going to get x and y from the user. Okay. Each is going to be an integer. Okay. So let us get the x and y. So x is equal to, so it is going to be input, right? So int input uh, enter x. Okay. Then y is equal to same input enter y. Okay. Now we have got both x and y from the user. So we have not yet implemented our exceptional handling. So it is a normal program. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make the indication. Okay. So indication is equal to x divided by y. Okay. So we are going to make it as percentage, right? Imagine someone is writing 1 divided by 4 for x divided by y. So 1 divided by 4 will be 0.25, right? But we need 25 percentage. So we can just write indicator. Indicator is equal to IND into 100. So it will turn into percentage. So this is the basic program which we are going to write here. Okay. So this indicator will hold the value. Now imagine we are going to run this program, and when running, what will happen to us? Okay. Let us just go inside the program first. FUL. Now we are going to run the program with the help of how to test Python fuel.py. Okay, so enter X. Imagine. So what are all the things they have said we should not do? First, we can run 3 by 4. Okay, so I'm going to write X value as 3 and Y value as 4. Oh, I forgot to write the print statement. Print. Uh, what is the thing we need to print? We need to print indicator and then the percentage symbol. Okay, so we can just write indicator. So it is going to be with the percentage symbol, right? So let me try to convert it as str so that I can just concatenate the percentage symbol plus percent. Okay. So now let us try again. Percentage symbol should be inside double quotes because that is also a string. Python x is going to be 3, y is going to be 4. Okay, it is 75% full. So now what are the things we are going to do? We no need that 0.5. So we need to round off the value. So let us round off with the help of ROUND. So it will be easy for us. So this is how we can generate or create the programs in an easy way, like going step by step. Okay. So 75%. So positive flow is coming correct. Next, what we are going to do? We are going to write 1 by 4 and it should show me 25%. Let us try it. 1, 4, 25%. Perfect. The next step is run the program with 4 by 4 and press enter. It should show full. So did we write the program for that? No, right? So if the indicator value is going to be 99 or above, if indicator is going to be greater than 99 or equal to, right? Greater than or equal to 99. What I am going to print? I am going to print yes. Okay. I have another condition. Else if indicator is going to be less than or equal to 1%. What I am going to print? Empty, correct? E. Okay. Else only we are going to print this particular value. Else we are going to print this one. Okay. Now let us run and see. So I am going to write 4 and 4. Full. Perfect. Run again and we are going to write what is the condition? 0 divided by 4. So x value is 0, y value is 4. Okay, empty. Perfect. So these conditions are all met. Now, when you run the program with 4 by 3 and press enter, you should handle a zero division error. So, if I write this program with um, imagine I'm going to write 4 and then 0, it will show me an error called as zero division error, correct? So we are going to try and catch this particular error. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write my try block here, try, and then everything inside. Out. Okay. Okay. So inside the try block, I'm going to try till this division. Okay. After this division is done, after the rounding of also is done, we are going to catch the errors. So how are we going to catch the error? We are going to accept the errors which are available. So how can we accept? There are some hints given for us. We can accept two errors also at a time, which is nothing but value error and then zero division error. So let me copy this accept block and paste here. Okay. So in this accept block, we are going to have this two kind of error, and if these two error occurs, we are going to repeat the whole program. So let us have something called as flag. Maybe flag is equal to 1 I am writing. So whenever I am having the flag equal to 1, I will just try again and again for the flag. So I can write a while loop here, while flag equal to 1. So while flag is equal to 1, we are going to do all these program. Okay. Yeah. So flag equal to 1 I have written here. And then what about all these things? These things will come under else block, correct? Because these are correct values. So else we are going to do all these things. So let us try it again. Okay, flag is not defined. Okay, we are going to initialize the flag, right? I just forgot. So initially flag will be equal to 1. Then only we can write all these program. And here what we can do in our else part, we can change the flag equal to 0 so that it is in the correct condition. Now, okay. Now I am going to enter my x to be 4 and y to be 0. Yeah, it is asking again, correct? So this is what is expected here. Now, if I write some correct condition like 1 and 4, it should show 25% perfect. So are all the things satisfied? Let us see it. Okay. So zero division error is done. Value error is okay. Let us check the value error also whether it is done or not. Okay. Hmm, maybe 3.3. See, it is again asking for x because it is a value error. Okay. Now imagine I'm going to write 4. It is again asking for x because it is a value error. Now it is asking for y, correct? So if I am writing here, then also again and again it will ask. So this is how we are going to implement this value error. Okay, 80%. So value errors are also done. Now next coming with 5 by 4 and plus enter, the user should prompt again. So let us check whether this is done. Did we do that? No, right? So it should be showing us a value. See, it is showing full, but it should ask the user again, but because logically it is wrong, correct? So for that, what we can do? In this indicator, if it is greater than 99 itself, we are saying it to show full, correct? We are going to add another small condition here. If indicator is going to be greater than 100, greater than 100, then I am going to make my flag equal to 1. Okay, easy. Now here instead of if, I need to write elif. Now I think you can understand the importance of elif. If I might have written only if here, what will happen is both the conditions will be true. Here flag will become 1 and also printf, which we no need. So I am writing it as elif. So let us just run the program and see. So 5, 4. Yeah, it is asking the user to prompt again. So let us see what will happen if I'm not writing elif here. Okay, let us check it. Okay, now I'm running the program again. Now I am giving 5 and 4. Can you understand? This F is printed here. This F is, should not be printed because it is not full, it is an error. So only I am writing here elif. Now I think you understood the flow of this particular program, which is really, really important. Okay, so let me just complete the program. Yeah, perfect. I think all the use cases are done. Now we can check it with the help of the CS50 check. Hope it works fine. Uh, okay. Hope it will work fine. I think this is very clear how we have implemented a try and except block with the else block also and with valuing multiple kind of error here. Okay. Value error is if any value is being updated and it is not correct, then this value error will be showing. Because here we have got the input as integer, but if it is something else, if the input is other than the integer, then we will have this value error. Okay, what happened? It is showing some error. Output 75%. Intermix. What happened? Let us check. 3 by 4 it is showing. So 3, 4. 75%, yeah. Why is it showing the input of 3 by 4? Yields output of 75% did not find. Okay, let us check what is there. In this, if you see, they are asking only one input. We have got two input from the user. I think that is the problem here. So let us make it as a single input from the user. So yeah, see, these are the basic things which we always forget. X is equal to input fraction. So user will give fraction as an input, which we are going to divide it into x and y. Okay. Um, User, let us make. So here I will inside a try block. I am going to split with the help of the hyphen symbol. So x is equal to what I'm going to do. Maybe first answer is equal to user dot split. We are having the split function, right? I'm going to split with the help of hyphen symbol. So I'm splitting the answer. Now I'm going to have the value 1 and value 2, which is x is equal to int of answer in the array of 0. So first value will be in 0. Then y is equal to int of answer with the value of 1. So now I think it will work. Can you understand? Because here they have made it as a fraction. I forgot to see the demo part. Fraction cat divided by dog, 1 divided by 4. It is like that, right? So that is what the problem is. Let us check now. Yeah, perfect. Now we can submit this program. I think it is very easy and very clear. Yeah, we have submitted and see you in the next video. Bye bye, friends.